How can I extract all values from a dictionary in Python? I have a dictionary D equals 1 column minus 0.3246, 2 column minus 0.9185, 3 column minus 3985, ... How do I extract all of the values of D into a list L?
If you only need the dictionary keys 1, 2, and 3, use your _dict.keys. If you only need the dictionary values minus 0.3246, minus 0.9185, and minus 3985, use your _dict.values. If you want both keys and values, use your _dict.items, which returns a list of tuples, key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, ...
Use values.
For Python 3, you need
For nested dicts, list of dicts, and dicts of listed dicts, you can use an example. Big thanks to @Vicent for pointing out that strings are also iterable. I updated my answer accordingly. P.S. Yes, I love yield. Smile?
If you want to say more, gracias por seguir suscribiendo.